Alright, this is a piano tutorial on an old Simon and Garfunkel tune, one of the most popular, Sound of Silence. And this song is, it doesn't have a verse, a chorus, a bridge. It has 5 verses. So it's basically a lot of verses. Paul Simon was very wordy, and that's what it is. So you learn to play through the verse, you pretty much have learned this song. And it's really pretty simple. Just 4 chords, F, C, B flat, and D minor. And so those are pretty easy. I'm going to show you the melody first. And it starts on a D note. I'm going to walk you through the fingering. And it starts on a D note, where this is in the key of F, by the way. So you start with your thumb on that D note. The next phrase, you start on a C note with your thumb. And the next phrase, you start on your thumb on an F. And this one goes up higher. So it's, when you go to the second note there on A, you've got your second finger. Your 4th finger is going to be on C, which takes you up to that D note with your 5th finger. That repeats itself. And then you've got to, and the next one's going to go up really high, so you've got to stretch your finger all the way up to this, your 3rd finger on this D, so you can get up to where you're going. And you've got to go down, so you got to put your 5th finger on D. And that's pretty much it. A little bit of variations on that, but that's pretty much it for the melody. The chords, you're going to be doing a D minor to start with. It's D, F, and A. Then you play a C chord. That's going to be root position also. C, E, and G. And then back to D minor again. Then you've got an F chord, which you're going to move up here. That's also root position. F, A, and C. Then you're going to do a inverted chord with that B flat chord. F, B flat, and D. Makes it a lot smoother to go back to that F like that. That does that a couple of times. And then you got a B flat, and it goes back to F, and then D minor. C, and then another D minor. So those are the chords there. That's the melody. And this is what it sounds like when you put the hands together. Pretty much repeats itself 5 times through the song there. That's the solo version of the song.